Greeting you from inside the Mall of Asia Arena in Pasay City, where we are witnessing a highly competitive match between UST and NU. A crucial game for both these squads with identical 6 and 5 records, hoping to improve their chances of making it to the Final Four. UST already took the first set, and right now they are on top 16-14 against the hosts, National University. In the second set, they've been doing it without Maruban Atikla. Check ball. Nepomuceno gets it. And among all the NU players, it has been Kai Nepomuceno who has been playing her best volleyball of the afternoon.
Not very flashy, but you would see consistency is there. Something they need at this point.
And what they really need is a big win.
And it's not helping that most of the receptions that are being delivered by UST is going straight into the net. I mean, Tintin Santiago is there in the front line. Regalong-regalo yan sa kanya.
And we are in a similar position, just like what we had in the first set. We're in a deadlock, close to the 25-point mark. This is crucial for both teams. Lantin, back set, Melatunay. Popped up by Nepomuceno. Santiago gets the point and gives the lead to NU.
Take a look at that. Santiago mistimed even by the block. So mistimed attack for Santiago. Mali rin yung timing ng blockers. Ended up as a point.
Perez back on the floor for Coach Francis Vicente. Ortiz. The tip does not work for her. Urdas. Popped up by Caballero. Lastimosa gets denied by who else? Tintin Santiago.
She's like a blocking machine right there at the net. And if you're the attacker, no, and you see Santiago in front of you, mapapaisip ka rin talaga how to, get the ball through.
Lantin, back set, Tunay gets it through that combination of Urdas and Santiago.
See that wide gap between the two blockers here for NU. If you're UST, that's the trick. What you want is to make your blockers move. So kailangan itong si Lantin will distribute her plays. So it won't be as easy for Santiago to block.
Good effort by Caballero to save that ball. Perez sets it up long for Urdas. And she follows the instructions a while ago of Coach Francis Vicente. When in doubt, when you have to adjust for a hit, just go for the drop ball. Where? To the middle.
And nobody's there. Right on the spot.
And Coach Francis was pointing to his head. Utak lang.
Yan ang mahirap din minsan, no? Pag naglalaro ka. Minsan of course, you need to think, but sometimes, if things are happening so quickly, ang hirap din mag-adjust. But these players, of course, well-trained, well-experienced.
But again, NU shooting themselves on the foot with that error. It's like a virus that NU has to find some way to vaporize.
Well, at this point, UST has committed 6 errors and NU has committed 7.
And when you see the number of errors that they have on top of us, you know that volleyball has arrived.
I know. I was looking up. Wow, there are
I did not
numbers over
notice
there.
that. I did not notice that.
I looked up because I wanted to see the screen, to see, and then I saw the score. Wow.
And you hear that? You hear that roar? They can really feel the intensity. What a rally. The best one so far in this game.
Oh, that block going out. Marvan and Perez. That's why, when you're blocking, you can't just jump it. You have to have control of the ball also kung saan mo siya gustong bumalik. And in this case, the ball went out for Perez and Marzan.
UST tying this game up after that Lastimosa hit. NU's block directed the ball beyond the sideline. Urdas though gets it back, going down the line. Myla Pablo sent the check back in. Urdas just avoiding that Lauren Lantin block. Tunay unable to receive it properly. Aiko Urdas serving. Caballero, misreception. UST able to recover. Free ball. Lantin. Oh, Marzan was there at the top of the net. Lantin, one more chance. Gets it to Lastimosa. What trust being shown by Coach Oji Mamon on Lastimosa. Nepomuceno hits it long. And we are tied once again.
This is how exciting this game has been. Second set, both teams not letting go of the score, talagang dikit. And both coaches also standing at the sidelines giving specific instructions to each player. And Caballero just had to find a way to get that ball through. That was difficult. You know, yung angle na yun, down the line angle, it was very sharp. It was right there at the line.
And now UST has taken the lead. We will take a listen to the huddle of Coach Francis Vicente.
Nandun na eh. Doon mo pa isisit. Ito na si Myla, oh. Open na open. Huwag kang tamarin, mag-sit. Bigay mo sa open. Gamitin mo to, hindi nakakapalo. Wala pa ako nakikita pinapalo nito. Magtiwala ka sa kasama mo, magtiwala ka. Huwag kang tamarin, pato mo.
You cannot stress it more than that. Coach Francis pleading to Ivy Perez to set the ball up to Myla Pablo.
And well, let's see if there will be adjustment if they go back from that huddle. Yun ay very important. If you're playing the setter's position, there's really a lot of pressure. It's a big responsibility because you're really driving the direction of the game, especially for your team. Let's see.
Just what Coach Francis wanted. He wanted to get it to Myla Pablo, but Pablo hitting it straight to the tape of the net one more time. Oh, the blockers were there. Jessie De Leon. Perez. Giving it back to Myla Pablo. Same result. Lantin and De Leon right at the top. Reading it perfectly. So that's 2 straight points for UST, who are 2 points away from taking a 2-0 lead against NU.
And Coach Francis also trying out a new mix of players by pulling out Pablo, bringing in Aganon. Let's see if Aganon will get that point, and she does. Good way to start her game today. Quality minutes for Coach Francis Vicente.
Mina Aganon was the 4th best scorer on the team last year for NU, but she has played sparingly for Coach Francis here in season 75. But we know what she's capable of, and she just contributed right away, fresh off the bench. 23-21. UST on top by 2. No Banaticla here in this second set. Perez sets it up. Santiago from the back row. Popped up by Tunay. Jessie De Leon hits it towards the back row. And UST is 1 point away from taking a 2-0 lead.
Look at this attack. Not the best attack that you would see from De Leon, but still cuts it and gets that point because nobody was there at the corner.
And not even the best digger in the league could adjust to keep that ball alive. And service specialist Ingrid Reyes has been sent in once again to hopefully close this one out for UST. Nepomuceno battling against the double block of Lantin and Ortiz. And Maika Ortiz doing what she does best. The running spike. Her weapon of choice. One more time. Ortiz asking for it. Gets it from Lantin. Just what the doctor ordered. Beautiful. Nothing her former teammate Dindin Santiago could do to stop that. So, 2 sets are in the books and we are seeing a turnaround from the first round meeting as now it is UST enjoying a 2-0 advantage. You are watching UAAP Season 75 Women's Volleyball action. Handog sa inyo ng ABS-CBN Sports.